My video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts which are coming from the site Nmabigyello.xyz. Nmabigyello.xyz is a website attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Nmabigyello.xyz tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. However, it is a mistake to do that. If you click on allow, you may be also redirected to some other deceptive sites, and on top of that, you may start receiving the huge portion of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads will be displayed in the form of push notifications. To remove them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious ones. Finally, I recommend you to examine your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.